Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have a Temu. Yes, I finally joined the bandwagon and I hopped on board and I ordered me some Temu items and I can't wait to show them to you. But before I do that, let me welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here and I appreciate you each and every time that you have opportunity to come visit me. This is just wonderful and I love to hear from you. I like to hear your comments. I like to know your favorite things in the items that I purchase, and I just like to get to know you. So if you're new here, that is something that you can expect along with the unboxings and the hauls and the collaborations and the giveaways that we have. So be sure and check my description because I've got several out there right now with some collaborations. But right now we're going to find out what I have in my first Temu bag purchase. That's right, it took about a week to get here. I spent about $70 and I have quite the variety here, and it says it's fragile on there. And Temu is a channel that you can buy items at a ridiculously great price. I guess you're cutting out the middleman in a sense. So we're going to go through here and see what I purchased. Alright guys, the first thing that I'm seeing is this little gnome. Isn't he cute? Just in time for Valentine's. I want to say that he was around $3, but isn't he adorable? He's got the little note sign up there for your Valentine, and it even opens up if you want to put a little card or something in there. Isn't that just cute? It's got a tie-on apron in the back, and it's just adorable. Oh, I love this. Let me see how much this was. Okay, this was $3.98. So like I said, I thought it was a great purchase, and it's just so adorable, and that's just one of the things that you can get from Temu. Let's see what else I got. I'm just going to have to pull it out. It looks like I got me a blouse here, and it's wrapped up into a plastic cover so that for protection, and you can just unzip it and pull it right out, and this is a Valentine shirt that I got. Isn't that cute? Oh yeah, it's got little hearts on it. It's like little gold hearts, and it zips up the front, and it's kind of like a burnt look onto the hearts all over it. And then it's got slit sleeves here with the little straps. So I just think that's adorable. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm gonna love trying that out and wearing that. So, and I may have a plan for it already. I mean, it is hearts, so it is for Valentine's. And like I said, it comes in this nice little storage. And let me tell you how much that was. The value on that shirt is $10.34. So, you know, personally, I thought that was a good price. I don't know what you will think, but that's what I think. So that's the second item that I got. And then the next item I'm pulling out of here is a storage cubicle. And guys, they have all kinds of storage cubicles, and I think this was like a couple of dollars. I mean, like really inexpensive. It's a dust-proof large capacity. It's navy blue. It's 21 inches by 13 by 9, and it was $1.99. So you can store stuff in this. Look at this. And you can see what's in there. And it has a zipper to store everything. I was going to see if I could get it open for you. It's got handles on this side so you can lift it up. It's got handles on both sides, so it actually becomes like a little storage cubicle. And then like I said, when you can look in there and see what you're getting. So isn't that cool? Another great item, and that was just $1.99. And I only bought one because I wanted to see what it looked like, you know, ahead of time. And you know, you could store lightweight clothes, just a few different things in here, maybe some blankets and or sheets, or you know, those kind of blankets that we have that we use to put around the sofa, and you might have several and you just need to store some of them. So that was $1.99. Great buy, right? Okay, my next item I'm pulling out of here is a Davla. And this is an eye pencil, and I think this was like 79 cents or something. Let me see what it was. So I got this for 71 cents, and I think there's another one in there, but let's see what color this is. I'm hoping it's blue, because that's the color I wanted, like an aqua blue. And let's see what I got. I would say that is an aqua blue. I'm going to try it out right here. Oh yeah, I like that. It glided on really nice, and I love that color. I used to get this color through L'Oreal, and they quit selling it. So if you're looking for an aqua blue, they have it, and it was 71 cents, so you can't beat that price. The next item I'm pulling out of here, is this flashlight. This was $4.95. This is a USB charge flashlight, and it is a very bright flashlight, and we can charge it up with our USB. I want to look at this. I was very interested in this. I don't know if it's going to work right off the bat because it may need to be charged. And oops, I just pulled this out, so I don't know if that was a good thing to do. But yeah, ooh, blinding y'all. It does work. So yeah, that's a bright light. And I'm not quite sure what this is. I guess you got different levels that you can do. We can flash it. Can you see that it's flashing? And then we have this extra light here. And then we turn it off. So hey, I think that's a great purchase. $4.95 for all those elements, and then I can charge it up. And there's my charger. And I could just put my phone in there. And I will have to say that by accident, I pulled this out, which is probably supposed to cover it up, but I'll just try to put it back on there and we'll see how that works. Don't know, but anyway, I like it. Very nice, and for $4.95 I think it was not a bad purchase. Flashlights can be expensive, especially bright ones like that when the power goes out. Now the next item I'm pulling out of here is some clip-on bangs, and it was supposed to be blonde, but I don't think they're blonde as my blonde, but we'll see. They've got it in a little netting here to protect it. And here's the clip-on bangs. And I'm not quite sure how we would work them, but I'm not sure why the paper's not coming off. It's almost like, oh, they glued it onto there. I guess for shipping, but it's got the clip on, and I don't even know for sure if I can even clip these on. And it's not the right color for me, that's for sure. I can tell you it started sticking right away. They're the wrong color of blonde for me. So this was not a good purchase for me because I thought they were going to be more blonde. But they may be too yellow blonde for my hair. Yep, I would have to say that was a miss. Let me see how much I spent on these. I spent 89 cents. So, you know, that's not bad. I tried it. It's probably not going to work for me. So I'm not going to worry about it too much for 89 cents. If you've got like yellow gold hair and you don't mind that I try to stick that in my hair, let me know. And I could just send them to you. Yeah, that's not going to work for me. Unless my hair gets darker now, I could change the color of my hair. But it's hard getting those things in, isn't it? I don't know. I know a lot of people use them, but I don't know if I'll be using that one or not. Now the next item I have here is, now this is a wig, and I'm not going to take it out because I have plans for some of these that I bought as props. And you'll just have to see them when I wear them in the future. So be on the lookout for a little bit different look for Miss Jackie Russell, unless I just can't get it to perform right, and then I won't. But this is one wig that I got, and it was like around $11. They had several choices, and then I also got another one, and this too is another choice, and it was around $10.98. So I'm going to show you those when I wear them. So like I said, be on the lookout. I've got some collabs coming out that I'm going to be using those for. So hint, hint, you will see it unless I can't get them to work right. Now the next item that I have in here, is I got a white one. You know, I told you I got the blue one. Well, I got a white one too, because if you don't know, I use white eyeliner up by my eyes of the inner eye right through there and underneath and on top. And I do have a white one from Estee Lauder, but I thought I would try a 71-cent liner versus a $26 liner and see if there's a difference. I may not ever buy the cheapos again, but I just thought it'd be worth a try. And then I purchased this organizer, which I guess you gotta set it on a canister, and it looks like it's got legs, so I've got to kind of build it. But this is for eyebrow pencils and or brushes, and it's got the little slots there that you can drop them down in there. It's got the bottom, so I can put this all together. And I want to say that was like, let me see how much that was. That was $2.48, and it's called the Makeup Brush Storage Kit. So that wasn't too bad. The next item that I'm pulling out of here is I bought some press-on nails. And I got this basically for a future giveaway of some sort, because I get my nails done at the nail salon. But I thought these were really cute, and they were only $1.34. So, and very pretty. You never know, I might try them out, but it says do it yourself, 24 pieces, $1.34. And those were very pretty. And let's see here. Oh, I got me another gnome, and I believe this gnome was like, it's an Easter gnome, and it has a value of $2.88. So a little bit different than the other one, and this will be for when Easter pops around. But I thought it was cute. Got a little yellow and pink, and got these little bunny ears, and just so cute. And for $2.48, a good size, I thought that would be cute little decor. So another win and a great price. And I got this palette, and it's called Pop Fill, and I forgot how many colors it has in it, but it's like was like $1.99 or something. Let me see. $1.88, and it's got 40 colors in it. So let's see what that looks like. Ooh, look at that. It does have a little bit of a mirror up there. I didn't know it was going to have a mirror, but look at all those colors. Isn't that pretty? Got lots to work with. You could make a great color story with that. Has 40 colors. So that too is going to be in a giveaway at some point. And it was $1.88. So great little eyeshadow palette, great little nail palette. And then I got another eye palette, and this was like $4. It's a 12 color eyeshadow by Naked. And let's see what this looks like. It's a 12 color eyeshadow palette. And I want to say I got this because it reminded me of a palette that I had from Estee Lauder. Yep. And I thought to myself, they've reinvented it. And I think they have. Look at that. It's got all practically the same colors that was in my Estee Lauder palette that I've used up. So I should probably show you that for comparison. But yeah, this is going to be a palette that I'll use. I mean, it's practically all the same colors. Wow. That's very nice. I'm going to love using that palette. And I bought it because the colors look like those colors. And I used that palette up in one of my Advent Calendar series of the hashtag Advent Calendar Series 2021-2022. I didn't start that up for 2023. Okay, my next item is a pair of scissors. And I do cut my little puppy's hair every once in a while. And I thought I would try out these scissors. They were like $1.88, I think. I mean, it was worth a purchase just to see how they work. And I was going to tell you guys too, I did get this professional hair wig cap to go with my wigs that I got, and it was $1.48. So I'll see how that works out with my purchases that I got. And we'll see how I like them. That one didn't look like the right color, but who knows, who knows. But on these scissors, they were $1.88, and I'm trying to get it open. Yeah, those could work. I hope they work. Sometimes I trim my little puppies before they go to grooming, or if it's growing too much around their face and stuff. So I got these to trim my little puppy's hair. And then the last thing that I got in here is a set of 2, and these are corner shelves. And it's my understanding, I've got my little sticky things in there, that I can stick these in the corner and it'll stick against the wall, and or a hook. It looks like it's got like little hook grips on there, and I can set it and have a corner shelf. And I was thinking I could use that in my bathroom, and I got 2 of them, and these were $5.48 each. And then I can use this in my bathroom or anywhere there's a corner, and you just want to utilize that corner, and you just put it in the corner, and then you have this shelf to put your products and what have you. So I'm very excited about that. I got 2 so I could stack them, so to speak, and then put some of my cosmetics and or whatever I need around my bathroom there. I've got a little corner spot there that I could tack it on. But guys, that's my haul. That's my Temu haul. What do you think? I mean, I got some pretty good deals. I don't know what my favorite is because I haven't been able to really digest it all. But I am going to tell you I like this a lot because it's the colors that I thought it was. And I'm also going to tell you that I'm going to do a surprise giveaway. I got this for you, the nails, and I got this 40 color palette for you. And use the word nails in the description, and this is a surprise giveaway, and it could end any time, but use the word nails, N-A-I-L-S, and you'll be entered for this surprise giveaway of the nails and the palette. And this is for USA only, and my surprise giveaways can end at any time, so it could be a week, 2 weeks, 6 weeks. I haven't gone 2 months, I don't think, but I mean, I'm just letting you know it could end any time. But as for today and my first Temu haul, that's all I have. Let me know what your favorite is. My favorite is the eyeshadow palette, and my second favorite's going to be this flashlight, because we may need this. With this ice coming around here, we may lose our power. I hope not, but that could happen. So anyways, as for today in Temu, that's all I have. Thank you for watching. If I have any discount codes or any information about Temu, I will have it down in my description. And be sure and check my descriptions, like I said, for any current giveaways and or collaborations. And that is all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.